Hi there. I'm going to show you how to tie the Kreh loop. This is a knot that you use to put a loop in the end of your line. Start by creating an overhand knot. This knot is named after Lefty Kreh, a famous saltwater fly fisherman. Pass this portion of the line through the knot. Form your loop. Then wrap around the line and then pass through the loop. Draw it tight. Snug it up, make it look nice. And there's your loop. Trim off the tag end. This is a great knot as an alternative to a ring hook to allow the bait to swim more freely if you're using live bait. It's great for putting a loop in the end of your line for a snap swivel. And if you're a fly fisherman, a lot of times they put the fly in the loop like this to allow the fly to swing freely like this in the current. It's a great knot. It's fairly easy to tie, and it's my go-to knot for loops.